Think of this notebook, this orange notebook, as a place or a tool where you can put your transactions, records, or data. Next slide, please. Different payments, records, or whatnot. Just like how would you write your mga notes po ng grade school, no? This could mean remittances, this could mean payment records, this could mean IDs or whatnot. Anything that has to do with data could be put on this notebook. Now, the cool thing about this notebook is ito pong notebook natin ay own po na lahat ng tao. Everyone has a copy of it. Jello has a copy. Attorney Mark has a copy. Sir Don has a copy. Senator Bam has a copy. No? Lahat po ng tao has a copy of this notebook. And this means that nationwide and even globally, no, anyone from around the world can check the contents po of the notebook anytime, anywhere. Even though you're in Saudi Arabia, even though you're in Pampanga, in Baguio, in Cebu, in let's say Germany or whatnot, 24/7 po, pwede po i-check ang contents po ng notebook natin dito. Now this setup in a way also works as check and balance, no, for all the contents within this notebook. That means that lahat po ng records at data na ilalagay po sa notebook natin ay constantly po chine-check po ng mga taong bayan natin kung tama ba ito at kung verified ito. And that is exactly why kung bakit po secure ang blockchain. The blockchain is tamper-proof, meaning hindi po siya pwede i-edit, hindi po siya pwede i-alter, hindi po siya pwede i-delete o kahit anong galawin po, no. Kahit ikaw si presidente, kahit napakalaking kumpanya ninyo, kahit napakaraming pera or kahit gano'ng kalaking conglomerate, no, no one party can destroy the data inside the blockchain. And that is the whole beauty of it right now. So, next slide please. If I were to simplify po, no, the blockchain into one simple phrase, it would be blockchain is a shared digital record. Again, no, a shared digital record. This means security, transparency, and it is very, very hard po to cheat as well. And